Do you want to know how to trim the beginning, middle, or end of an existing video on YouTube and not lose the views and comments? In this video, you'll discover how to shorten a YouTube video using YouTube's new video editor. It will enable you to trim an existing video on YouTube without having to download and edit it on your computer. That's sweet. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to be notified about future videos. Here are the steps to trim the beginning of a YouTube video using the video editor in YouTube Studio Beta. Log into YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio Beta, click on videos, select the video that you wish to shorten. I'm going to select live so I can shorten one of my live streams. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select this unlisted video for this demonstration. Click editor. I have an echo at the beginning of my video. Your product. So I'll remove that echo. So what I do, I move the playhead to about 420. If I extend this timeline, I can make a more refined adjustment. So I'm going to go to about 413. I'm going to click trim. Then I'm going to click split. I'm going to move this back to the beginning. And here's a section that I want to remove. So let's check them at the right place. Play the video.
Welcome everybody here.
Yep, that's the right place. I can also undo the split. Or I can undo it up here. I can discard the changes. I can also use options up here, which gives me shortcuts. For instance, I've got zoom in, zoom out, undo, Command plus Z, redo, Command plus Y. And I can use the arrows, nudging the playhead to the left or the right. I can rewind 10 seconds with J, fast forward 10 seconds with L. I can also seek backwards by 5 seconds by just pressing the arrow key to the left, and forward 5 seconds by pressing the arrow key to the right. So you got all these shortcuts to speed up the editing process. So I want to remove this section here. I can click on preview, play the video.
My channel's all about how to...
So it's not quite at the right place that I wish to go, so I'm going to click edit trim. I'm going to extend the timeline a little bit, preview. That's exactly where I want it. If I want to undo the changes, and just click undo at the top here, or click discard changes. When I'm happy with the edit, I can just click save. What if I want to trim or remove the end of a YouTube video? Click trim, move this blue slider up to like maybe 27. Okay, I got 27 there. So I'm going to move this blue slider up to here. 27. I can preview it by just playing the video. I can split. I can preview. Let's preview it. Okay, and then that removes the end section. What if you want to remove multiple sections of your video? Just move the playhead to where you want to trim it. Click trim. Click split. And move it down to how much you want to remove. So here's one section. Then I can preview it. So play it a bit before.
To T.
So it jumps a section there. What if I want to remove another section? Just move it down. Click edit trim, click split again, and move it to where you want to take out a section. And just keep in mind you can undo the split here, or you can go up here and undo as well. Then you can preview it again. Play the video. So I've removed 2 sections here, but you can even remove multiple sections. So I'm going to discard the changes and show you how to shorten the video at the beginning. So I'm going to move the playhead right to the beginning, click trim. Then I want to move it up to 413.20. Let's extend the timeline a little bit so I can refine my editing. Click split and move this all the way to the end. So I'm going to take this blue bar, move it to the very end. I'm going to shorten the timeline so I can see where I'm at the beginning. Okay, now I can preview it. Click play.
Welcome everybody here.
So it looks about right. I'm going to click save changes. Just click save. It says it might take a few hours for your changes to apply. During that time, viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. While you wait, you can leave the site. Click save. It says video is being processed. Please check back later. Let's see how it looks on my channel. Here you can see that the edit is in progress. Here's an important note. If your video has over 100,000 views, you may not be able to save changes to it except to blur faces. Instead, use a Save as New Video option to save your changes. This restriction doesn't apply to channels who are in the YouTube Partner Program. What if you want to add an end screen to an existing video on YouTube so you can get your viewers to watch another video and subscribe to your channel. No worries, just watch my next video on how to use the YouTube video editor to add an end screen to an already uploaded video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.